Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a mouth-watering spaghetti dish. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to create a flavorful and savory spaghetti recipe that's sure to become your family favorites. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we'll be using to make this delicious dish. Let's wash our tomatoes, ginger and pepper. We want them very clean before we chop them up into smaller pieces so they blend easily. I love using manual blender because of the texture it gives the mixture. I like seeing pieces of tomatoes in my food. I don't know about you. If you are not my type, you can use electric blender to blend it smoothly. Can you see that? Just the way I like it. Now we pour the mixture into a pot and heat it up to dry out excess water. This will help intensify the flavor. As you can see, our tomato have dried up. For the 2 sachets of spaghetti we are making, I'm adding 150 ml or 3/4 cup of vegetable oil to our pot. Just the right amount to prevent sticking. Too much oil can actually cause boiling. So if you are making 1 sachet of spaghetti, consider using 80 ml of vegetable oil. Now, let's add some magic to our dish. Add 1 sachet of ginger curry powder, dried shallots, rosemary, seasoning cubes, and salt, and stir it up thoroughly. It's time to add our shredded beef. I cut my beef into tiny pieces so that it becomes tender faster. Let's stir fry until the mixture changes color. Now that the color has changed, now we add 1 sachet of tomato paste and stir continuously to avoid sticking. Add water to the mixture. Be careful considering the size of your spaghetti. Add half teaspoon of dashida spice. Two teaspoons of grinded crayfish. Stir and test for salt. We are done with these parts. Let's go into boiling the spaghetti. Let's boil our 2 sachets of golden penny spaghetti. I cut it half and add them into already boiling water. Add salt and stir thoroughly. While boiling the spaghetti, use plenty of water, enough to cover the spaghetti comfortably to avoid sticking together. Allow the spaghetti to boil until it's slightly softened. Then drain it and add it to the sauce immediately. Don't let your boiled spaghetti sit for long inside the sieve, as it can become overcooked, thereby losing texture or stick together. I also do not like to rinse my boiled spaghetti, unlike white rice. Stir gently and thoroughly to combine well. Add a bit more water if needed. Cover the pot, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 2 minutes. And there you have it. Our delicious spaghetti is ready. So colorful. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss more amazing recipes. See you in the next video. Stay blessed and keep cooking.